Landscape fabric has a range of benefits. It can help prevent weeds, retain soil moisture and temperature, as well as mitigate the risk of soil washout from heavy rain. It can be used in garden beds, under pathways, and even under plastic pond liners as a protective layer. And while these landscape fabrics work in a number of different projects, there are different types of landscape fabric that are more suited for these efforts. For weed prevention in garden and flower beds, look for fabric that has good air and water flow. This allows air, water, and vital nutrients to penetrate through to plant roots. UV resistance for durability, and overall puncture tear strength. These fabrics are suitable for use with landscape covers such as mulches and pine straw. Projects such as hardscapes, patios, and pavers require a commercial-grade product designed to deliver superior water flow and durability. These fabrics are suitable for use with landscape covers such as mulches, pine straw, pea gravel, river stone, large hardscape stones, and pavers. And for projects like driveways and patios, you'll likely want a landscape fabric with a heavier weight for more stability. For those that prefer more eco-conscious options, look for fabric made from naturally renewable resources. Woven from fibers made from corn and/or wheat, these naturally derived fabrics help prevent weed growth and provide landscape preservation, all in an eco-friendly material. No matter the project, we have a landscape fabric that will suit your needs.